Hmm. Orticio et al. 2024. Hi guys! Again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychology. I found this interesting research conducted by Orticio et al. 2024. Their recent research suggests that exposing children to more misinformation online and teaching them practical skills to fact check is more effective than completely sanitizing their online environment from these sources of misinformation. Yan, grabe sa dami ng mga kumakalat na misinformation ngayon in social media or other websites. Mas iisipin talaga natin no, na huwag i-expose sa mga bata dito sa mga websites or social media accounts na ito. But instead of being helpful, it appears that it could be more detrimental for them because it actually prevents them from having that opportunity to develop a skill that is necessary, I think, no, in this generation. That skill that I am referring to is to have that practical fact-checking skills about these set of informations. And according to Orticio et al., we have to equip them, and that could be more beneficial for them in the long run. And he suggested that in order to equip them with these necessary tools, kailangan i-expose din natin sila sa mga sources of misinformation na ito. So they can develop a set of skills, use it, improve on it, and be more critical in these sources of information. Not just today, but even in the upcoming future. No? So mas maganda nga naman kung talagang i-expose natin sila, gagabayan at tuturuan kung paano gamitin itong practical fact-checking skills na ito. This is a good research and hopefully it gives more information to the researchers out there to conduct more research about this thing so they can either verify, no, or rule out or disconfirm these results. But it sounds good on how we can prepare the next generation, no, against these sources of misinformation. Sana ay meron akong naitulong at naituro sa inyo in this video. Again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist.